In this video, we will explore a workflow for discovering unlimited LinkedIn leads along with their email addresses. I click on Open Chat to begin using the workflow. I input the query CEO of B2B SaaS in California to identify leads within this specific ICP. Now I can review the results in my Google Sheet. We have identified leads that include their complete LinkedIn information and email addresses. First, visit serper.dev to obtain your API key. On Serper, navigate to the API key section. Click here to copy your API key. In the workflow, click the first node here, which is a SERP node designed to find leads from Google. Here you provide your server API key. Enter your API key in the authorization field. Click here to advance to the next step in the workflow. Click the first link in the video description to access LinkFinder AI and create a free account. Click Start Free Trial to create your free account. Click on API Access to retrieve your API key. Click here to copy your API key for use in the workflow. Return to the workflow interface to proceed with the setup. Click on the LinkFinder AI node for LinkedIn scraping to configure authorization. Click the authorization field to enter your LinkFinder AI API key. Please enter your LinkFinder AI API key. The API call type is LinkedIn profile to LinkedIn info, which retrieves comprehensive LinkedIn data for any lead using their LinkedIn profile URL. Here, we can observe the LinkedIn URL being utilized from the Serper node. Click here to proceed to the next step in the workflow. Click here to proceed with the workflow process. Click here to proceed with the workflow execution. In this section, we utilize the poll URL for the LinkedIn scraping job, which retrieves the job status. If the job status indicates completion, it also fetches the results. Otherwise, we will poll again afterward. Enter your LinkFinder AI API key here. Click here to continue with the workflow. Click here to proceed with the workflow process. Click here to add your LinkFinder AI API key. Here you can see that the type for this API call is LinkedIn profile T-email, which is used to find a lead's email address from a LinkedIn profile URL. Here we can observe that we are utilizing the link from the Serper node to process each lead's profile. Click here to continue the workflow. Click here to check the Google Sheet that stores the leads we find with this workflow. Click here to view the Google Sheet that stores the leads. To apply the same workflow on your own N8N instance, please refer to the video description and click on the GitHub link. Click here to open the workflow JSON file. Click Download to save the workflow JSON file locally. To import the workflow into your own N8N, click on Import from File, then select the JSON file of the workflow. The workflow will then appear in your N8N.